Here is a Kia Seltos. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Kia emblem. Put one finger there and push left on the secondary release lever. Push left, lift up the hood, and this is how that secondary release lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and then let it go, and now the hood is secure. Now that right there is your fuse box. We need to get the cover off. There are two clips for it. We need to press them at the same time and get the cover off, and off it comes. Underneath the cover you'll find the fuse puller and the fuse diagram. Let's get the fuse puller out, and right there it indicates that there's 5 spare fuses. We will focus on the 25 amp power outlet fuse, and if the fuse is bad we'll replace it with a 25 amp spare fuse. Put the fuse puller on that fuse and then pull it. As soon as I pull the fuse, the power in my outlet is gone because my fuse is good. How do I know that? Just look at the center port. It's not broken. If yours is broken, then it's a bad fuse, and that's very likely what the issue is. Always replace a 25 amp with a 25 amp, not with anything else. So let's go ahead, get the 25 amp spare fuse and make sure that this one is good. This is looking good. Let's just put this back where the original fuse went, and as soon as I put the fuse in, power is back on. Let's just put the fuse puller back in its position, and now let's put the cover back on, get it in position, and then just press it down to engage those clips and secure it, and that's it. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place and press down, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.